Composting passage, multiple choice answers. Number 32. Paragraphs 5, 6, and 8 help support the author's argument by F. Explaining that community members will help make composting a success. G. Indicating that the school does not have the funds to pay for supplies. H. Suggesting that the school will benefit financially from composting. J. Showing that fertilizer is needed on school grounds in order for plants to grow. 33. What is the meaning of distinct in paragraph 2? A. Able to improve. B. Rare and harmful. C. Likely to change. D. Strong and definite. 34. In paragraph 4, Katie includes specific information from the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality in order to F. Add credibility to her argument that the amount of trash in landfills is a problem. G. Show support for the activities sponsored by an environmental agency. H. Evaluate the effectiveness of groups that want to reduce the amount of trash in landfills. J. Give an example of how a government agency can help the environment. 35. Which of the author's arguments is based on faulty reasoning? A. Composting has a surprising variety of benefits for the soil. B. If tended to regularly, a compost pile can transform food scraps and other organic materials into wonderfully fresh, nutrient-filled dirt. C. If our school implements our composting idea, we could send less trash to the landfills. D. If students see us composting at school, they will want to start a compost pile at home as well, further reducing the waste in landfills. 36. Based on the author's comments in her letter, the reader can conclude that the Beautification Club has F. Taught its members' parents how to make a compost pile. G. Attempted to raise money for other school improvement projects. H. Suggested other ways that the school could be more eco-friendly. J. Worked with members of the community on various projects in the past. 37. Which words from paragraph 6 help explain the meaning of economical? A. Other resources. B. Savings generated. C. Consider that. D. Could be spent. 38. Which sentence from the letter shows that Katie has considered an opposing viewpoint? F. As I'm sure you know, composting turns kitchen and yard waste into something usable once it is added to soil. G. A chemical reaction happens when things like grass clippings, orange peels, and newspapers are layered in a certain way. H. As president of the Truman Middle School Beautification Club, I am very concerned about the environment. J. And yes, if not properly maintained, a compost pile can smell bad and attract pests. 39. What does the author's inclusion of the sample signs after paragraph 7 reveal about her? A. She realizes that the cafeteria manager will need instructions on what to serve. B. She wants visitors to the school to know that the Beautification Club sponsors the composting. C. She does not think that students at her school will want to participate in composting. D. She understands that guidance will be necessary in order to make composting a success at her school.